Good morning everyone, I'm Rick the pilot teacher, and today we are going to be moving concrete with a helicopter. It's a chilly day, it's minus 13, which I believe is about 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, to me it's a bit chilly for moving concrete, but apparently the customer needs their concrete moving today. They're building a beautiful home down on one of the islands. I live on a place called Lake of the Woods, which separates Canada and Minnesota. It's got about 15,000 islands, and on one of those islands is a beautiful property that we've been working on for about 2 years now. I think we've flown about 80 or 90 hours worth of materials and concrete into this. So I think it's up at around about $3 million so far. So huge property, and the only way that we can get the concrete there is by flying it. So today we're going to be taking the concrete buckets and we're going to be trying something new. We've never really moved concrete this cold before, so yeah, who knows whether it's going to work. So yeah, come along for the journey and we'll see if our bucket freezes or whether it works or not. So let's go take a look. All set up, we're ready to go. I've got the 2 buckets ready. One of them's connected to a long line. I've just got to wait for the helicopter to show up and then I can hook up the first bucket. Once that concrete truck arrives, you can get the first load in and off we go. It's going to be about 7-minute return trips. So let's see how long we get until these buckets start freezing up. So what we're doing here, because it is about minus 11 at the moment, as the concrete buckets come back with residue of water and concrete in them, they're freezing on the way back. So what we're doing is we are basically using the hot water from the concrete truck to spray out all the residue, concrete and water that's left in there, and then we're getting these tiger torches on so we can dry it all out, dry the mechanism so it doesn't freeze shut bit by bit as we're doing the job. It's worked out really good. The buckets are nice and dry by the time we're ready to fill, and basically they sit there empty until we see the aircraft on the horizon. Then we fill them up, and it kind of works nice. As the buckets are being filled, I'm collecting the other bucket from the pilot, and then we're hooking over to the filled one, and it basically is efficient for the helicopter. There's no stopping for them, which means less bill for the customer. Well, there you go, ladies and gents. That is us moving concrete. It's all gone out to the island. They're happy, we're happy, we're all cleaned up. It's now time to head back to the hangar and get ready for the next job. So, hope you enjoyed it. That's just another day in the life of what we do as a helicopter pilot. Sometimes we're flying, sometimes we're working the ground. We all work together as a team, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.